Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your camera on Zoom during a meeting. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app and make sure you are logged in. Then, start a meeting or join on. Once you are in, look at the bottom left corner of your Zoom window. You will see a small camera icon labeled Video. Hover your mouse over it and it will say stop video. Just click on the icon and your camera will immediately turn off. If you want to turn it back on later, just click the same icon again. Now it will say start video. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus B to stop or start your video quickly. If you want to keep your camera off by default for every meeting you join, here's how you do it. Go to settings in the app, then click on video tab, then check the box that says turn off my video when joining. This way your camera will always stay off unless you manually turn it on. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off your camera on Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.